Alright, so I'm interrupting this experimental video because the experiment went south real quickly. I basically wanted to see if I could get this cake foundation to work as a everyday foundation underneath my contour, my blush, whatever eyeshadow I might want to wear, and I couldn't seem to get that to work. When I used the cream foundation, as you saw when I was blending it in, it started to remove the cake foundation. But then when I used powder contour, that worked a lot better, but not perfectly. On my nose, it started to remove the cake foundation. To be completely honest, I'm not experienced with this type of foundation whatsoever. So this was, like I said, a little bit more experimental, but I could imagine that you can use it on, say, a bride, their shoulders, say they have scars from acne and you want to cover it up, it would do the job very quickly with little effort. And then as long as you set it properly so that it doesn't transfer onto a wedding dress, that would do the trick for you. I kind of just wanted to wrap it up here because I found that I wasn't getting it to work the way that I wanted to. I really liked the coverage. It covered any redness or imperfections very quickly. Like I said, it was a matte finish, and in some areas it definitely looked cakey, like in the crease in here and around the crease of my nose. You could definitely tell that makeup was caked on. But other than that, like on smooth surfaces such as my cheek and my forehead, it looked pretty cool actually. But I'm thinking that this should be left for body makeup and not face makeup. But if you know of a video of somebody who tried this out and successfully got it to work with everyday makeup, leave the link because I'm curious about it. This experiment was a little bit of a fail. Yeah, thanks for watching.